snow pee-pee.
That looks good, Grayson. You did a good job. He's gonna have 6 arms.
Got snow tumors.
That's a nice snowman, Grayson.
This one is...
It's a 5-armed snowman. Gray, what do you think of the snowman?
This one.
Do you like it? He's cute. Very cute, Grayson. 5 arms. Very cute.
Good job, Gray.
Our first snowman.